Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Next topic is examining Microsoft Entra ID as a directory service for cloud apps, and a lot of text is given over here. So I can simplify this text into key points, which I have put it in the Word file here. So what is Microsoft Entra ID for cloud apps? That is what explained here in this whole text. What is that? When you use Microsoft cloud services like Microsoft 365, Azure, Intune, or security services, you need a way to manage user login and permissions. So Microsoft has got a lot of services, productivity services, admin. So it has got a n number of services. So when you manage those services, you should have a way to log into that, manage user login and permissions. So that is where Microsoft Entra ID comes in. In other words, Microsoft Entra ID will help you to manage users, its login and its permissions. Consider there is a help desk user who has recently joined, and he only reset the password for the, or he does only the very basic things in the organization. For that user, you cannot give the global admin privilege, which can manage each and everything in the 365 or Azure environment. So what you have to do, you have to limit the permissions. So there should be a mechanism to do that. Microsoft Entra ID will help you for that. Instead of creating separate directory for each service, one Entra ID can be used for all Microsoft cloud apps. So if you have multiple cloud apps, you cannot have a separate directory for each services. Microsoft Entra ID will help you to have one particular directory for each services. This makes it is easier for users and admins, one identity, one login, which means single sign-on. With single sign-on, you can log into all the Microsoft services. So that is what the advantage of Entra ID for cloud apps. Key benefits. One identity system works across all Microsoft cloud services, which we discussed just now. User can log in with other accounts too, like Facebook, Google, using Entra ID. Developers can connect their custom apps to Entra ID for secure login. So these are the benefits of Entra ID for cloud apps. Then for something related to developers, developers can use tools like Azure Portal and Visual Studio to easily add Microsoft Entra login to their websites or applications, apps. So this is helpful for the developers. These are mentioned in this entire text. Hope this is clear to you. Now we move to the next point. We are comparing Microsoft Entra ID Plan 1 and Plan 2. What all advantages we have having Microsoft Entra ID P1, and what all advantages we have with the Plan 2. This is what described here. Again, I have put it in a simplest way in this Word document. Let us discuss this. What are P1 and P2 plans? Microsoft Entra ID has two premium plans. First one is Premium 1 and second one is Premium 2. They offer more advanced features than the free of Office 365 version, but they cost extra. Apart from this, there is one more plan which is free, but it doesn't have much features. The free, as always, may not have much features. But when it comes to Premium 1 and Premium 2, they offer more advanced feature. You can buy them separately. These plans you can buy them separately, or as part of Microsoft Enterprise Mobility and Security, you can purchase this. So let us see the features in Plan 1, Premium 1. The first feature of having P1 is that self-service group management. User can create and manage their own groups. Advanced security reports, multi-factor authentication, which is a modern authentication. Then Microsoft Identity Manager, 99.9% uptime guarantee. Then self-service password reset, cloud app discovery, conditional access, Entra Connect Health. All these are the features of Plan 1. We will be seeing all these in detail in the coming video, so this is just a beginning. So I am not going to explain it in detail. When it comes to the Plan 2, Everything in plan 1 you get it with plan 2, plus you get Microsoft Entra ID protection, automatically detect and respond risky sign in and accounts. So if some user log in from a infrequent location or some from a malicious device, Microsoft automatically detect. If you have the plan 2, it automatically detect and respond to the risky sign-ins and accounts. The extra feature we get with the Premium 2 is that privileged identity management, which is in PIM, which is in short we call PIM, privileged identity management. Manage and secure admin account with the time limited access and approval workflows. For example, if a new user or somebody needs an access to some virtual machine for some particular time, so you can give him for 1 week, one access to that virtual machine only for 1 week. So privilege identity management with the time limited access. Only for 1 month I am giving you access to that virtual machine, or for one day I am giving access to this. For example, if some audit person has come and access and asked for some access for 24 hours, so we give access to him for only for 24 hours uh, to certain resources. That feature we get it only with plan 2, Premium 2. So that's all about this particular module. We understanding the Microsoft Entra ID. So in this video, hope we got some idea about Microsoft Entra ID. What is the how it differ from the traditional local Active Directory, and what all service, what is the difference between Entra ID P1 and P2. All that we discussed in this video. And then the coming video we will create, configure and manage identity. We will be creating the uses and we'll see assign license and all that we will see in the coming video. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet in the other video. Till then, goodbye.